morning, student. So, welcome back to BEHS Sumati Academy. Again, this is your science teacher Rasmi Dikshit. So, after the exams, SA1 exams, today we will start our new chapter, that is chapter 9, States of Matter and Their Properties. It is a very interesting chapter for all of us. So, first, we have to understand about the matter and the molecule. So, the first thing which we have to keep in mind that on the planet on which we are living, that is earth. So earth on which we live, it is made up of living things and non-living things. Okay, earth is basically made up of some living things and non-living things, and all the things are made up of matter. Okay, matter means anything which have mass, means which have some weight and which occupies space, it is called as matter. Again, I'll explain what is matter. Means anything which can occupy the space. Okay, which can occupy the space and has some mass, this thing is known as matter. Now, how this matter is made up? So matter is basically made up of some tiny, very tiny particles, which is called as molecules. Okay, matter is basically made up of very tiny particles, which is called as molecules. Now if we say we can't see the molecules, okay, we can't see the molecules by our naked eyes because they are very, very tiny. Okay, so next thing which we have to keep in our mind, that is matter. What is matter? Anything which occupies the space and have mass, known as matter. Then matter is also made up some tiny particles. So these tiny particles are called as molecules. Now further, molecules are also made up of some atoms. Okay, means we have a unit, smallest unit than the molecules, that is atoms. So molecules is made up of atoms. Now how? So two or more atoms join together to form a molecules. Means when two or more atoms are joined together, they form the molecules, and when the molecules are joined together, they form a matter. Means first atoms, then when the atoms join together, they will form a molecules. When the molecules are formed together, they will form a matter. So in this form we can keep in mind atoms, then molecules, then matter. Now next thing we have to keep in mind, classification of matter. Means now we have to classify the matter. So if we classify the matter, so we can classify matter into three types. First is solid, liquid and gas. Okay, we can classify any matter in three types, that is solid, liquid and gas. So if we look around us, so we can see the variety of things with different variety of things. Means some things have different shapes, some are big, some are small, some they have this different shapes, like some have cylindrical shape, triangle shape and circle, and also they have a different textures. Okay, so all the things, non-living things, living things, they basically made up of made up of materials, and it is also called as matter. Okay, so means the things which have made up some materials, these materials are known as matter. Means the food we eat, the air we breathe, plants, animals, door, window, books, stones, star, planet, okay, even a single drop of water, all these things are matter. Because I have in the previously I have already explained you, anything which occupy the space and has mass, this is known as a matter. Means if we will talk about a single drop of water, so single drop of water is also a matter. Okay, so again it is clarified if we will take the examples, that is now the solid form. If we solid form, how the solid form, as the star, box, stones, books, food, these are solid. Liquid, if we will talk about the liquid, then water, juices, all are in liquid form. Gas form in air. Okay, air is also a matter. This is which is in gas form. So now we know what is matter. Means anything which occupy the space and has mass. This is called as a matter. Now how it is? So when two or more atoms join together, they form the molecules, and when the molecules join together, they form the matter. Now we have learned that there are three types of matter. That is, we can find this matter in three forms, that is solid, liquid and gas. Okay, so again, all the things which are around us, all are matter, because they have made up of with some materials. Even if we will talk about the even single drop of water, it is also a matter. Okay, now we will meet in the next video. So read this topic carefully.